When I heard we were going to be doing 5-hour Zooms, it was quite daunting. And even, talking to my husband, he was like, "What? 5 hours?" But the very first Zoom that we had, I realized they were not only manageable, but honestly, something I looked forward to. The way you structured the 5 hours, we did lectures, we did discussions, you held classes for us, we did our practice teaching with other group members. You really just made it flow so nicely that I kind of forgot that they were 5 hours in total. And having them every other week actually made me look forward to them more. Every other week you're like, I've been waiting, I haven't gotten to do this, I'm so excited. So the 5 hours really just flew by with the way that you formatted it. So many things clicked in my brain as soon as we started learning sequencing. It helped me understand the poses better, how they interact with each other, how we build up and kind of wind down. The flow of it really just makes so much sense to me in my brain and gives me that confidence to be able to start teaching. I'm so excited to be a part of this. I think you've built something beautiful here. I'm honored to be a part of it, and I can't wait to take what you've taught me and put my own spin on it and share it with the world as well.